Now that was nice.
Holy shit!
Hey, we got good footage.
Where'd it go?
Oh man, front fucking view seat.
This is where the log used to be.
Dude, look, there's a piece of it there.
Yep. What is it, 2.5 pounds of 10, right?